Working with optical fiber cables requires adherence to specific safety guidelines to prevent injury and ensure optimal performance. Firstly, general safety measures should be followed. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE, including eye protection, gloves, and non-conductive clothing. Handle cables with care to prevent damage. Avoid touching the fiber or connectors directly, as oils from skin can impair signal quality. Keep fiber clean and free of debris. Exercise caution when working near electrical equipment or high voltage sources. Secondly, electrical precautions are crucial. Although optical fiber cables are not electrically conductive, they may come into contact with electrical equipment during installation or maintenance. Always disconnect electrical power before working on cables. Use insulated tools and wear electrically insulated gloves. Ground all equipment before connecting or disconnecting cables. Thirdly, laser safety is paramount. Optical fiber cables transmit light using lasers, and exposure to laser radiation can be dangerous. Wear laser safety glasses when working with active fibers or connectors. Never look directly into the end of a fiber or connector. Keep cables and connectors covered when not in use. Fourthly, proper cable handling is essential. Use proper pulling tension when installing or removing cables, always referring to the manufacturer's specifications for guidance. Avoid sharp bends or kinks in the cable, as these can impair signal transmission. Do not pull cables by their jacket or connectors, as this can cause damage. Utilize cable trays or conduits to protect cables from physical damage. Fifthly, connector cleaning is vital for maintaining optimal signal transmission. Clean fiber connectors regularly using only approved cleaning materials and procedures. Inspect connectors for contamination before mating to ensure a clean connection. Sixthly, environmental considerations play a role in cable longevity and performance. Store cables in dry, cool conditions to prevent moisture damage. Avoid exposing cables to extreme temperatures or humidity, as these can degrade cable performance. Dispose of cables properly according to local regulations to minimize environmental impact. Seventhly, training and certification are important for personnel working with optical fiber cables. Train personnel on proper cable handling, connector cleaning, and safety protocols to ensure safe and effective work practices. Consider industry-recognized certifications such as FOA Certified Fiber Optic Technician or CFOT to demonstrate competency and expertise. Additional precautions include exercising caution when working in confined spaces or at heights, ensuring work areas are well lit and free of tripping hazards, and communicating safety protocols clearly to all personnel involved. Maintain a regular maintenance schedule for cables and connectors to identify and address potential issues before they lead to performance degradation or safety hazards. By following these safety guidelines and precautions, personnel can work safely and effectively with optical fiber cables, ensuring optimal performance and minimizing the risk of accidents or injuries.